Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best facial brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 5-in-1 Exfoliation Facial Brush. This cleansing brush gently scrubs your face, neck, and other parts of your body to peel off oil, dirt, dead cells. It also keeps you glowing all day. Besides, it also reduces blackheads, scars, fine lines, and acne spots from your face. Moreover, this electronic brush offers you a deep cleansing with a gentle face massage, so you can do a mini facial yourself at home. Furthermore, it cleans away makeup and dirt more effectively than your regular wash. So, your skin absorbs the toner, serum, moisturizer, and cream more than before, and as a result, your skin becomes more radiant. It also helps you to do the pedicure and removes hard skin as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the waterproof wireless charging face cleaning brush. This facial brush comes with 2 brush heads for different types of cleansing and 3 speed modes for different skin types or problems. The dual brushes also offer you facial massage and spa. Moreover, these remove blackheads, dead cells, acne spots, oils, dirt, and make your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Furthermore, you have to set up the speed mode according to your skin type, or problems that you want to peel off. This electronic beauty kit is wireless for your convenience, and you can also charge it for instant use. This electronic brush is fully waterproof, so you never have to worry or wait if your skin is wet. At number 3, we have the Mia Prima 1-Speed Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush. If you have sensitive skin, do not worry. Just try this cleansing brush, as it peels away dirt, oils, blackheads, dead cells from your face gently without any irritation. It also provides an appropriate speed for deep cleansing. Moreover, while you are cleansing your skin with this brush, then your skin absorbs most of the toner, cream or moisturizer, so your skin will look smoother and healthier than before just in 1 week. Furthermore, it reduces black spots, wrinkles, and acne problems and renews your skin texture within 2 weeks. It is also fully waterproof, so you can use it into the bathtub, or while you are showering. All types of skin texture support the brush head of this device. At number 2, we have the waterproof facial cleansing set with 4 exfoliating brush heads. This waterproof cleansing brush comes in a protective case with 4 types of brush heads. The wool brush is very soft and gently removes dead cells, blackheads. Moreover, the silicone brush takes care of your skin, and cleans off the makeup, dirt, and oil, and also reduces acne problems. The PBT brush allows you to clean or scrub deeply. Furthermore, the massager bead gently massages your skin and helps you to look young by stimulating blood circulation. It also offers 2 speed settings mode, so you can set different types of brushing speed according to your cleaning task. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush with 3 modes. This electric cleansing brush kit is offering you 3 speed modes for different types of cleaning tasks, and 2 types of brush head for different types of skin texture. It also has some smart features like wireless charging, reminder, and auto shutdown. Moreover, if you charge it for 1.5 hours, you can use it for 45 days long, if you are applying it 2 minutes per day. While you are brushing, after 60 seconds it will shut down automatically for taking care of your skin. Furthermore, it will remind you every 20 seconds to change the scrubbing or cleaning area. With a handy portable structure, also it is full waterproof and lasts long. It eliminates dullness and black spots and helps you to reveal your natural glow, so your face looks clear, soft, smooth, and glowing. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.